Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, welcome to the subject of Machine Design 1. In the last lecture, in the last video, we have finished with the design of thick cylinders. This particular module is consisting of curved beams and the thick cylinders, of course design aspects. So we have learned a lot of things in this. Let us quickly summarize them so that it will be helpful for you to recollect the given video. Let us divide the part into two curved beams and thick cylinders. I need not mention that this is only about the design aspect. We went through different assumptions of curved beams. In the same manner, we went through different assumptions for thick cylinders for Lami's equation. We actually solved few problems of design of curved beams which are based on two important formulae, which are nothing but it actually depends upon the principle that states that a curved beam, if has to fall or if has to fail, it will fail under the combination of the direct stress as well as the bending stress, and hence sigma failure for the curved beams will be given by sigma bending as well as sigma direct. We know that for different cross sections, sigma bending can be found out in different manner. No doubt that the common formula for them is m upon z plus sigma d, where z is section modulus, now we know that the value of z changes for every cross section. In this slide provided in there, you can find out different formulae that are used for this. And the formula for direct stress is simple. It's the maximum force that we apply divided by the area of cross section. Whereas in case of thick cylinders, we have seen that the thick cylinder can fail under radial stress as well as circumferential stress. We know that radial stress and circumferential stresses are given in terms of Lami's equation. So Lami's equation says that the circumferential stress is given in terms of the factor B divided by radius square plus the factor A, whereas the radial stress is given by factor B divided by radius square minus factor A. So using this formula and this techniques, we could solve the problems of curved beams and thick cylinders. In curved beams, we look at two different aspects, C-frames as well as chain hook, which are the examples of curved beams. Students, we solve the problems on design aspects which had limited scope of design. We know that these problems can be standardized, but as far as your syllabus is concerned, we have gone through only limited version of problems as far as design is concerned. So that was the summary of the topic design of curved beams and thick cylinders. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to Ekeeda. Thank you.